Welcome to Mohansh Technologies. So today we are going to be discussing about Web3.js. Yes, Web3.js. JS library. Web3 is JavaScript related library. JavaScript is very famous programming language. So we already discussed previous classes. Python and JavaScript are leaders in the IT industry. In programming level, Python and JavaScript both are leaders in the IT industry. But what about the Web3 and what is the importance of the Web3? We will discuss all these things one by one. Okay. First of all, Web3 is JavaScript related library. So first of all, you need to understand JavaScript in this area. Okay. Let me draw the picture here. Okay. I am drawing the picture. So this is JavaScript. Let me keep it as JS. If you know all JS fundamentals, okay, anyway, I will teach all the JS fundamentals in the next videos and all. So we start from the JS only, normal JavaScript only. I will teach all the JavaScript fundamentals first for you. But before knowing JavaScript, you should know HTML, CSS also. I will give you the fundamentals of HTML and CSS also. Don't worry about it. So you are the beginner, you start from beginning, no problem. We are going to be teaching from scratch, from LKG standard level, okay? From LKG to PG. Suppose you are doing the course of PG course, right? So for PG course, we are teaching from LKG. That is like a standards I'm talking about, okay? On top of this JavaScript, many libraries are available. Many libraries or frameworks are available. Something like, Angular is there. React is there. Okay. Vue.js is there. Knockout.js is there. Knockout.js. Knockout. Knockout is beer, huh? No. This is JavaScript library. Yeah, knockout beer is also there. Okay, fine. Yeah, so one more. Now we will be talking about Web3.js. Thousands of libraries are available. Thousands of libraries are available. Now, now what is the Web3.js? Tell me, sir. Web3.js is a collection of JavaScript libraries. Is a collection of JavaScript libraries. Remember, the point is very important. Web3.js is a collection of JavaScript libraries. That is okay, sir. What Web3.js can do? It interacts. It interacts with Ethereum. With the Ethereum. Ethereum. This is the point. This is the new term. This is the new term called Ethereum. This Ethereum is some kind of blockchain actually. Some kind of blockchain. Ethereum blockchain. Okay. The first fundamental point we need to understand is Web3.js is a collection of JavaScript libraries. The second point is it interacts with Ethereum blockchain. Okay, sir. Then what, sir? Ethereum blockchain and some other things also, and decentralized applications. Decentralized applications. Yeah. Web3.js is a collection of JavaScript libraries. That is the first point. I'm writing point by point here. This is the point by point I'm writing. This is the first point. Sorry. Give me 1 second. Yeah, this is the first point. And the second point is it interacts with blockchain and decentralized applications. Am I clear, guys? Okay, so one more point I want to write. What is the feature of this? What is the feature of this? Feature of the blockchain is read blockchain data. Read blockchain data. Read blockchain data. Like balances, blocks, transactions. Read a blockchain data. What is the blockchain data? What is the kind of blockchain data? Something like a balances. Something like a balances. Something like a blocks. Something like a transactions. One is the balances, one is the blocks, and one more is transactions. One more is transactions. So this is the way of Web3.js process. Web3.js is a collection of JavaScript libraries. It interacts with Ethereum blockchain and decentralized applications. And one more thing, I already told you, Web3.js having huge in demand in the market. And this blockchain, Web3.js having blockchain interaction, right? And Python also having blockchain interaction. Both are having highly demanding in the market. Let's try to see the job market about the Web3.js. Anyway, we will discuss all the Web3.js, all these things. Let's try to understand. Let's try to understand job market for this Ethereum. Okay, LinkedIn. Let me try to open in the LinkedIn. Yeah, let's go to LinkedIn. Let's go to LinkedIn and let me search for Web3.js jobs. Let me go for jobs here. I'm searching for jobs. Now I'm in the part of jobs. I'm searching for web3.js. Web3.js. Okay, let me go for the jobs related tab. Okay, this jobs tab, let me search for web3.js. When you search for web3.js related jobs, you will be finding a number of job openings. You can see this Web3 engineer, blockchain developer, blockchain consultant, blockchain full stack Web3 developer, contractor, blockchain. So see n number of job openings. Not only LinkedIn, you can search in Naukri also. In Naukri also, you will be having a lot of job openings for the Web3.js. Let me show Web3.js. If you search for Web3.js, you will be having huge number of job openings. Can you see? Huge number of job openings. Okay. And yeah, so this is the way of the Web3.js. Okay, for that Web3.js, we need to understand JavaScript. We need to understand this HTML, CSS, all these things. Yeah, I will give you a lot of videos for this introduction part of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. See, whenever you are designing application, you need to make the front end part very neat actually. So for that, we need to understand HTML, CSS. And I will teach JavaScript also for you before coming to the Web3.js. This course is Web3.js, but we need to understand the fundamentals for that. Yeah, I will give you all the fundamentals to you. And later on, we will discuss blockchain with Web3.js also. So please contact Mohansh Technologies for the course blockchain Web3.js or blockchain Python or quantum computing or ethical hacking or AML KYC or different other kind of cybersecurity IAM tools, PingFederate, Okta, Fozira kind of things. So please like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. If anybody not subscribed so far, please go and subscribe. And your comments are actually needful, guys. Okay, please provide your comments also with a Mohan's IAM trainings. Okay, so we'll see in the next video with the fundamentals, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Bye for now. Have a good day. See you signing off.